Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get a Lee Sin champion on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is launch your game to the right client. And as you open your game, you're on this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right tab for the option store. And as you see it, just click it to view the store page at first. And as you view the store page, all you have to do is just look at your left tab and select this option champions right here. And as you select a champion, you can see the list of champions. So either you can just scroll this down to look for the Lee Sin champion, or go on the left on the search box and type Lee Sin. And as you do that, you can see Lee Sin on your screen right here. So to get this Lee Sin, either you need RP points or blue essence to buy this Lee Sin for yourself. So if you don't have the RP points, you can just top up the RP point from the store. So guys, that's how you get a Lee Sin champion on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.